Microsoft 365 vs. Google Workspace, 2025 edition. What's the best productivity suite in 2025? Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace? This decision is crucial for businesses, educators, and content managers. Let's dive into the ultimate face-off of these digital workspace giants. Microsoft 365 offers a legacy of powerful tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It excels in offline and desktop performance, fully integrating with Windows OS. On the other hand, Google Workspace is cloud-native and collaboration-first. It features docs, sheets, and slides, emphasizing real-time collaboration. It's built for mobile, Chromebook, and browser-first users. Which style fits your workflow best? Traditional muscle or modern agility? Google Workspace leads in live co-editing, instant comments, and version tracking. You never need to hit save. Microsoft 365 supports co-authoring, especially via OneDrive and Teams, but leans towards enterprise workflows. Google suits fast-paced content teams and classrooms. Microsoft is ideal for document-heavy teams and formal reporting. Gmail is sleek, powerful, and widely loved. Outlook is robust for scheduling, integrations, and traditional email handling. Google Meet is lightweight and browser-based. Microsoft Teams is feature-rich, great for larger organizations, but can feel clunky. For simplicity, choose Google. For control and advanced options, Microsoft wins. Google Drive offers 15 GB free, with 30 GB plus in workspace plans. OneDrive provides 1 TB per user with Microsoft 365 Business. Google's search power in Drive is unmatched. OneDrive integrates seamlessly with local files and desktop apps. Microsoft 365 leads with enterprise-grade security tools and advanced admin control. It's ideal for compliance-heavy sectors. Google Workspace offers strong cloud protection, but some advanced controls are for enterprise plans. Microsoft is the go-to for IT departments. Google Workspace pricing starts at $6/user/month, with options up to $18/user/month. Microsoft 365 starts at $6/user/month, going up to $22/user/month. Both are close in price. Google offers flexibility for small teams. Microsoft provides value for data-heavy, security-focused businesses. For educators and online instructors, Google Workspace is unbeatable for live collaboration. Corporate teams and agencies benefit from Microsoft 365's Teams, Excel macros, and SharePoint. Creators and marketers enjoy Google's fast platform for campaigns. Data analysts and project managers prefer Microsoft's Excel, Power BI, and Teams integration for complex reporting. Microsoft integrates with Power BI, Dynamics, Azure, and desktop publishing tools. Google integrates with YouTube, AdSense, and Firebase. Both work with Zapier, Slack, Zoom, Canva, and Trello. Integration style and depth vary between platforms. Microsoft 365 is fully offline friendly, especially desktop versions. Google Workspace is browser-first, but offline mode is improving. If you're often without internet, Microsoft is your friend. Choose Microsoft 365 if you rely on Office tools, need strong offline access, manage sensitive data, or want a robust desktop suite. Choose Google Workspace for real-time collaboration, education, content creation, speed, simplicity, and cloud-first design.